ለባንክ ቤት ለኢንሹራንስ እና ሌሎች ድርጅቶች ተወዳድረው የኳንቲቴቲቭ ጥያቄዎች አጋጥመውት እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች በአግባቡ ሳይመልሱ ቀርተው ከፈተና ወድቀው ሊሆን ይችላል። በመሆኑም ምንጊዜም ቢሆን የኳንቲቴቲቭ አፕቲቲዩድ ጥያቄዎችን መመለስና ራስዎን ዝግጁ ማድረግ ይገባዎታል። በዚህ ቻናል የተለያዩ አይነት የአፕቲቲዩድ ጥያቄዎች ከነመልሶቻቸው የሚቀርብበት በመሆኑ ለወደፊት መሰል መስሪያ ቤቶችና ድርጅቶች ላይ ተወዳድረው ማለፍ ከፈለጉ በዚህ ቻናል የሚቀርቡ ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልሶቻቸው በማየት ራስዎን ሊያዘጋጁ ይገባል። በመሆኑም ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ያድርጉ፣ ጥያቄዎቹን ይመልከቱ፣ ራስዎን ያዘጋጁ። So I have question number 7, and question number 7 says that in a division sum the divisor is 10 times the quotient and 5 times the remainder. If the remainder is 46, determine the dividend. A 5,336, B 4,782, C 3,698, D 4,875. So which of these choices is the correct answer for the question? First, read the question carefully. It says there is a divisor. Let's represent the divisor D by small d, and it is equal to 10 times the quotient, 10q. And again the divisor is equal to, it says the divisor is equal to 5 times the remainder, 5 times the remainder r. And what is given here is r remainder, which is equal to 46. So analyze the question and try to answer the required one. Here are the given elements, and you are going to find out the divisor. I mean the dividend. Say capital D. What is the value for the dividend? I hope you get the answer for this question. What is the answer and how can you do this question? So remainder is 46, and since remainder times by 5 is the divisor, 5 times the remainder or 5 times 46, it is 230, and the divisor is simply 230. And again you are given that divisor is equal to 10 times by q, quotient, and the divisor d over 10 is equal to the quotient, and the quotient is 230 over 10. Then the dividend is equal to divisor times by the quotient plus the remainder. So 230 times by 23 plus 46, you get the answer for this question, 5,336. And choice A is the answer for the question. Okay, በዚህ ጊዜ የሚለው ምንድነው? ዲቫይዘሩ የኮሸንቱን 10 ጊዜ ነው። እንደዚሁም ዲቫይዘሩ የሪማይንደሩን 5 ጊዜ ነው። ወይም በሌላ አባባል divisor is equal to 10 times the quotient. Again divisor is equal to 5 times the remainder. ሪማይንደሩ ስንት ሰጥቶናል? 46 ሰጥቶናል። ስለዚህ ሪማይንደሩ 46 ከተሰጠን divisor is equal to 5 times r ብሎናል። ስለዚህ 5 times 46 230 የማን ዋጋ ነው? የዲቫይዘሩ የአካፋዩ ዋጋ ነው። ይህንን ከሰጠን በኋላ ወይም ይህን ካገኘን በኋላ እዛው ላይ ምን ብሎናል? ዲቫይዘር ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ 10 ታይምስ ባይ ዘ ኮሸንት ነው ብሎናል። ዲቫይዘሩን አገኘን 230 እኩል ይሆናል 10 ታይምስ ባይ ኪው። ስለዚህ ለኪው ሶልቭ ለማድረግ ኪው ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ ዲቫይዘር ኦቨር 10 230 ኦቨር 10 ዘን which is equal to 23 ኮሸንት 23 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ዲቪደንዱን ተካፋዩን ቁጥር ለማግኘት ምንጊዜም የምናደርገው ምንድነው? ዲቫይዘር ታይምስ ባይ ኮሸንት ፕላስ ሪማይንደር አድርገን ያሉትን ቁጥሮች አባስተን ሪማይንደሩን ስንደምር 5336 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። መልሳችን ቾይስ ኤ 5336 የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, let's see question number 8. And question number 8 says that if 3 times the larger of the two is divided by the smaller one, we get 4 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. Also, if 7 times the smaller number is divided by the larger one, we get 5 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. Find the numbers. A 25 and 18, B 32 and 41, C 42 and 48, D 48 and 84. So what is the answer for this question? First, try to understand the question. Say there are two numbers. Say the two numbers are x and y. X and y. And say x is larger and y is smaller. Then if 3 times the larger one is divided by the smaller one, then we get 4 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. From this you can write in such a way: 4 times by, say the divisor is the smaller one, 4y, and we have the remainder 3. 4y plus 3 is equal to 3x. And again from the second condition, that means if 7 times the smaller, that means 7y is divided by x, we get 5 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. And from this you can write the number in such a way. So the dividend is 7y. 7y is equal to x, 5x plus 1. And you can formulate equations. And after formulating linear equations, you can simultaneously solve for x and that of y. So let us see how to solve this question. So let the larger number be x and the smaller number be y. Then from the first condition, that means from the condition which says 3 times the larger one of the two numbers is divided by the smaller one, we get 4 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. From this we can write the equation in such a way: 3x is the dividend and 4 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Then y is the divisor, and from this you can write 3x is equal to 4y plus 3, or what it says is that 3 times the smaller number, 3 times the larger number, that means 3x, when it is divided by the smaller one is y, you get 4 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. So 4y plus 3 is equal to 3x, and you can rewrite this equation in such a way, and 3x minus 4y is the first equation. Again, from the second condition, in a similar way, you can find here another linear equation, or another equation. Say if 7 times the smaller number is divided by the larger one, 7y divided by x, then the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 1. And from this, you can have an equation in such a way: 7y is equal to 5x plus 1, and you can rewrite this equation in such a way. Then we have two equations simultaneously. We can solve for x and y. Multiply the first by 5 and the second by, multiply the first by 5 and the second by 3. Then you get another equation: 15x minus 20y is equal to 15, equation 3 say, and minus 15x plus 21 is equal to 3, equation 4. And you can add the two equations: 15x plus negative 15x, it can be cancelled out, and minus 20y plus 21y is equal to y. So y, then we have 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. The solution for, or the value for y is 18. And having the value for y which is equal to 18, you can substitute y is equal to 18 on either of the two equations and solve for x. And when you substitute this value on of y on either of the two equations, then you get the value of 4x, which is equal to 25. So the numbers are 25 and 80. 25 and 80. So the answer for this equation is choice A. ኦኬ በዚህ ጊዜ የሚለን ምንድነው? ሁለት ቁጥሮች አሉ። ከሁለቱ ቁጥሮች አንደኛው ማለት ትልቁ ትልቁን 3 ጊዜ አባስተን ለትንሹ ስናካፍል ኮሸንቱ 4 ነው፣ ሪማይንደሩ 3 ነው። again ትንሹን ቁጥር በ7 አባስተን ለትልቁ ስናካፍለው ኮሸንቱ 4 ነው፣ ሪማይንደሩ 1 ነው። በዚህ ጊዜ ቁጥሮቹን ፈልጉ ነው የሚለን፣ ትንሽና ትልቁን ቁጥር። ከመጀመሪያው ኮንዲሽን ስናይ 3 ታይምስ ኤክስ ወይም ደግሞ ትልቁን ቁጥር በ3 ጊዜ አባስተን ለትንሹ ነው ያካፈልነው። ያ ማለት ዲቪደንዱ 3x ነው፣ ዲቫይዘሩ y ነው ማለት ነው። ኮሸንቱ 4 ሰጥቶናል፣ ዘን ሪማይንደሩ 3 ስለሰጠን ኮሸንት ታይምስ ባይ ዘ ዲቫይዘር ፕላስ ዘ ሪማይንደር ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ ዘ ነምበር ይሆናል። ስለዚህ 3x ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ 4y ፕላስ 3 ይሆናል። ይሄንን ሪአሬንጅ አድርገን በዚህ መልክ እንጽፋለን ማለት ነው። again ከሁለተኛውም እንደዚሁ 7y ፕላስ 5x ፕላስ 1 የሚል እናገኛለን። ይሄን ሪአሬንጅ ስናደርገው በዚህ መልኩ መጻፍ እንችላለን። ኢኩዌሽን 2 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ሁለት ኢኩዌሽኖችን አሉን። x እና y አይታወቁም። ሁለቱን ቫሪያብል ለማግኘት ሳይመልትነስ ኢኩዌሽን በመጠቀም ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ይሄን ለማድረግ የመጀመሪያውን በ5 የሁለተኛውን በ3 እናባዛለን። ዘን መጨረሻ ላይ የy ዋጋ 18 የx ዋጋ 25 ሆኖ እናገኘዋለን። መልሱ a 25 እና 18 የሚለው ነው ማለት ነው። Okay, let's work out the 9th equation. And the question here says that a number when divided by 6, there is a certain number, and when that number is divided by 6, the remainder is 3. And when the square of the number is divided by again 6, find the remainder. There is a certain number, and when you divide that number by 6, the remainder is 3. Again, when the square of that number is divided by 6, what will be the remainder of that number? A2, B3, C4, D5. So what is the answer for this equation? Okay, I hope you get the answer. Let me show you the solution. So there is a certain number, and the first divisor is 6, and the remainder is 3. So you have the quotient, say K, then the divisor is 6 and the remainder is 3, and from this the number can be written in such a way. That means the quotient times by the divisor plus the remainder is the number. So 6 times by K plus 3 is the number. Square it. That means 6 plus 3 square. Square it. Here 2 means square. Okay. So 6K plus 3 square. Square it and you get the value 36K squared plus 9 plus 36K. And you can rewrite it in such a way: 36K squared plus 36K plus 6 plus 3. Then you can have 6 as a common for the first 3 terms. 6 into 6K squared, 6K squared plus 6K plus 1 plus 3, and simply the remainder here is 3. And the answer for this question is choice B. እሺ በዚህ ጊዜ የሚለን ምንድነው? የሆነ ቁጥር አለ ለ6 እናካፍለው ሪማይንደሩ 3 ይሆናል። ያንኑ ቁጥር ለ6 እናካፍለው ሪማይንደሩ ስንት ይሆናል ነው የሚለን። በዚህ ጊዜ የምናደርገው ምንድነው? መጀመሪያ ቁጥሩን እንፈልጋለን። ቁጥሩን ለመፈለግ quotient times by the divisor plus the remainder አድርገን ቁጥሩን እናገኛለን። ለዚህ ቁጥሩ quotient times by the divisor plus the remainder which is equal to 6K plus 3 ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄንን ቁጥር ስኩዌር እናርገው። ስኩዌር አድርገን ለ6 እናካፍለው። ስኩዌር አድርገን ለ6 ስናካፍል ኦኬ ስኩዌር አደረግነው። ስኩዌር ስናረገው 36K ስኩዌር ፕላስ 36K ፕላስ 9 ይመጣል። ይሄንን again ለ6 እናካፍለዋለን። ለ6 ስናካፍል ምን እናገኛለን? 6K ስኩዌር ፕላስ 6K ፕላስ 1 ኮሸንት ይሆናል። ዘን ሪማይንደሩ 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እሺ በዚህ ክፍል ያየነው የተወሰኑ ጥያቄዎችን ነው። ቀጣይ ሌሎች ጥያቄዎች እንደዚሁ በተመሳሳይ የምናይ ነው የሚሆነው። ጥያቄዎችን በሚለቀቁበት ሰዓት ለማግኘት ይህንን ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ታንኪዩ